Hi all, this is the muffin recipe that I bake every December. The muffins are very fragrant and not overly sweet. But most importantly, I have a nephew who absolutely adores them. We start with 2 eggs, sugar, orange zest, vanilla extract, and orange extract or fleur d'oranger. If you don't have the orange extract, use lemon essence or simply lemon zest instead. Add the vegetable oil and milk. Mix really well and set aside. In a separate bowl, sift the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cocoa powder. Again, take your time to mix well. Now, pour the dry ingredients into the liquid. Fold very briefly until it's barely combined. There should be flour lumps in the batter. Do not overmix or the muffins will be tough. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer the batter to a muffin pan. Gently arrange pieces of candied orange peels. Place the maraschino cherries on top. Reduce the oven temperature to 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 20 minutes. A toothpick inserted into the middle of a muffin should come out clean. This is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or thoughts, please write me in the comments below. I wish you all very happy holidays and I will see you in the next video.